I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a school logo from a sweater. First, gather your tools. A sharp seam ripper, a small pair of scissors, and a magnifying glass will be incredibly helpful. Find a well-lit, flat surface to work on. Carefully examine the logo to understand how it's attached, whether it's embroidered directly or a patch. This initial assessment is crucial for a smooth removal process. For embroidered logos, turn the sweater inside out. Using your seam ripper, carefully snip the individual threads on the back of the embroidery. Be extremely cautious not to cut the sweater fabric. Work slowly, snipping only the logo threads. Once enough threads are cut, gently pull the logo from the front. You might need to use tweezers to remove any stubborn, small thread pieces. If your logo is a patch or applique, the process is slightly different. Identify the stitching that secures the patch to the sweater, usually around its perimeter. Use your seam ripper to carefully cut these stitches, one by one. Work your way around the entire edge of the patch. Once all the securing threads are severed, you should be able to gently peel the patch away from the sweater fabric without causing damage. After the logo is removed, you might find some tiny, loose threads or a slight impression on the fabric. Use a lint roller or tweezers to remove any remaining threads. If there's any adhesive residue from a patch, a gentle fabric cleaner might help. Gently stretch and massage the fabric to help it return to its original shape. Finally, wash the sweater as per its care label to help the fibers settle and minimize any visible marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.